every month for prospective entrepreneurs, BYST conducts a 2-day workshop where senior mentors take various sessions to prepare the entrepreneur towards achieving success in their projects, but primarily to be able to get a bank loan. And BYST is tied up with a few banks who are our associates, like for example, Bank of Baroda, the Indian Bank, and the SIDBI. And today you asked me about today morning. This is one of the programs, the monthly program that we have. We have about 25 entrepreneurs who have come this morning, and each one has their own idea and their own fields in which they are already implemented their idea. What they need are primarily two things. They need some amount of monetary support, and these are very tiny entrepreneurs whom the bank, when they go individually, is unlikely to support. So they come here, get coached, and BYST has a tie-up, as I said. We've also got on our panel a retired bank official who also will guide them through the process involved. And today's session including my session, was to give them an overview of what BYST actually is, what it does, and what its objectives are. It is not, awareness is only the start, because when you have a large group of new people, each one is an individual. Each one has an idea of what BYST is. They have come here based on, I was asking them, some have seen a banner somewhere, some have seen a press report somewhere saying that BYST is such an organization where it will help entrepreneurs get some loan. Beyond that, they do not know. What is it about? So that is why the first session was to tell them about BYST. Now, the session, that's only the beginning. But from now onwards, like for example, when you are an entrepreneur running a small unit, there are so many areas that you need to cover. Your own technical expertise, if you have got a small lathe machine or a mechanical unit. You need taxes. Are you paying taxes? What are the taxes to be paid? What are the government clearances to be done? Many people do not know. And this is where we, with mentors, help train these small entrepreneurs. So that is a session, is one of the sessions. Then you have on marketing, how to go about for this product, where you want to go and sell your things, etc. So over the 2 days, we want to equip the entrepreneurs where he can source the information, what all BYST can do. That is the main objective of this. Today, there are 3 sessions in the morning. In the afternoon, they are joining CII, who has invited us as a group to Hotel Marigold, where they are having another 3-hour session conducted in the hotel, and where the delegate fee is ₹1,000, but they have waived it for our entrepreneurs. And tomorrow morning, they'll rejoin here for subsequent, how many sessions tomorrow? Maybe another 5 or 6 sessions.
So this kind of initiative?
Every month.
Every month?
We do that every month for new entrepreneurs. BYST is in operation in Hyderabad from 1998. And we have supported hundreds of entrepreneurs. We have today about 215 mentors like me, basically who have been corporate executives, who have worked in various large companies. I was heading a telecom company. I was vice president of Bakelite Hylam. Likewise, many other co-mentors of mine have various expertise. So we come, it's an absolute voluntary service to be able to objectively help a small entrepreneur. So they come, they take the loan, they are attached a mentor, they repay the loan over 2-3 years, they graduate, they are equipped to go and get their loan on their own, or they come back for a second stint with BYST.